Alright, the first week we focus on the quick review. So let's start with the first section, R.1, factors and the least common multiple. First, we're going to check objective A, factoring numbers. Okay, let's check the first example. Example 1, we try to list the factors of a number. Here we got 6. The factor means to write a number as a product. So first, we're going to try to write the different factorization of 6. So 6 can be write as 1.6. Of course, there's another way. 6 equals 2 times 3. Okay, and that's it. That's all the factorizations of 6. Because if we write 6 equals 3 times 2, that's just the same as 6 equals 2 times 3. So only 2 different ways. Now we can list the factors. So the factors will be 1, 6, 2, and 3. If you want, you can put all the factors from least to the greatest, but the order does not matter. Okay, so let's check another example. This time, we still need to list the factors of a number. This time we got 20. The same step. First, we write the different factorizations of 20. So let's try 20 can be right. 20 equals 1 times 20. Of course, 20 can also be right as 2 times 10. And 20 equals 4 times 5. That's all. After that, we can list the factors. This time, we try to put them from least to greatest. But it's okay if you didn't do like that. The order does not matter. So that will be 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. From these 2 examples, we realize we only focus on the natural numbers. All the factors are natural numbers, also called counting numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? And we need to review what is prime number and what is composite number. So, prime number only have 2 factors. Only have 2 factors. One and itself. So 2 factors, 1 and itself. For example, 2 is a prime number. 3 is a prime number. And 5, 7 are prime numbers. If we check number 2, we will realize it only have 2 factors, 1 and itself 2. So 2, 3, 4, 5, they are prime number. Of course, we also have composite number. Actually, composite number is just not prime number, the opposite of the prime number. So that means has more than 2 factors. Let's check the example 3. Of course, I can give you some examples of composite, but that will be 5, 6, 8. They're just some examples of composite numbers. Let's check 4. It has 1, 2, 4, 3 factors. So it's not a prime number. Let's go back, check example 3. We try to identify some numbers to check a group of numbers, to check each number is a prime number or composite number. Prime or not prime. Okay, let's check 3. Okay, 3. The first number 3. 3, we can first write 3 equals 1 times 3. Then we know it only has 2 factors, 1 and itself 3. So yes, it is a prime number. Let's check 28. 28, we can write 28 as 1 times 28. And 28 can also be written as 2 times 14. So it's already more than 2 factors, right? So it's not a prime number. Let's check the third number, 19. 19 equals 1 times 19. And there is no other way can write 19. So it only has 2 factors, 1 and itself. Yes, it's a prime number. So the last one, 35. 35 can be written as 1 times 35. And 35 can also be written as 5 times 7. Then we realize it has more than 2 factors. So if more than 2 factors, it's not a prime number. It will be a composite number. So that's example 3. Okay,